going to be taking out the E30 today. I have not driven that thing in almost 2 years, at least out of the driveway. It's very incomplete. You might see it's partially wrapped, it's missing a rear bumper, and I still don't have a full tuning solution in place. I'm currently running an FMU, but it's only at 5 pounds of boost, so I don't think it's going to be a big deal. Let's take it out. Just to go over my setup, this is a Turbonetics T3, top mounted on a custom Y pipe and 3-inch downpipe. That's a Tial external wastegate, Tial blow-off valve, and it's still running a stock BMW M20 engine. The turbo is pumping air through this huge front mount intercooler, then through the factory MAF and the throttle body. This FMU is regulated by a Turbosmart manual boost controller, and the exhaust system is a full stainless steel 3-inch exhaust.
That'll be the first time driving this thing in more than 2 years.
How I have this set up is this boost controller is limiting the boost reference source from the intake manifold going to the FMU to delay it from raising the fuel pressure. So I'm just gonna turn this a couple clicks to the negative side to allow a little bit more air to come into the FMU to allow it to turn up the fuel pressure a little bit earlier. Hopefully that'll richen up the air fuel mixture enough. Unfortunately, the E30 is just running way too lean for me to feel comfortable doing full pulls just yet. I was hoping that the Aeromotive 340 fuel pump and the adjustable rising rate regulator setup would be enough to support fueling for 5 psi, but unfortunately it is not. It still goes in the high 15s when I go into boost, which is not recommended. So I was gonna run it temporarily until I get enough funds together for a standalone ECU, such as a Megasquirt or a Haltech, along with a larger set of fuel injectors. But I've got a lot of things to fix prior to that. I still have to fix some oil pan oil leaks, valve cover leak, finish wrapping the car and putting it back together. If you do wanna keep up with this project, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button, definitely helps me out. But for today, this is gonna be it. Thank you for watching.